What if you could build a real website or even a working app just by describing what you want and start without paying anything? Replit AI lets you do exactly that. In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit AI for free from your first prompt to building, testing, and publishing your project. First, open Replit and create a free account. Replit currently has a starter plan at $0, which includes free daily agent credits, a built-in database, and the ability to publish one project. Replit. Once you're inside, click Create and choose what you want to build for that. This is where the fun starts. Choose website or app in pre-corp, then describe exactly what you want. For example, build a modern AI tools directory with a search bar, categories, tool cards, pricing information, and a responsive mobile design. Use a clean, dark interface. Now let Replit Agent start building. The first prompt is currently free and doesn't consume credits, according to Replit. Replit Agent can automatically create the project structure, install required packages, and build the front end and back end. And you don't have to know exactly what's happening inside the code. You can simply tell it what you want changed. For example, make the homepage more modern, add animations, improve the mobile layout, and add a search function. Replit. Agent can then modify the project based on your instructions. Replit. Now preview your application. If you find something broken, don't start again. Just tell Agent if the search button isn't working, find the problem and fix it. Replit. Agent can test its own work in a browser, identify issues, and make fixes through its iterative process. Replit. You can also use Replit's built-in database and authentication features when your project needs them. Here's the important part. The free starter plan gives you daily agent credits, but they're limited. You can also publish up to one project for free. Replit. So don't waste your credits asking AI to make tiny changes repeatedly. Give it clear, detailed prompts and combine multiple changes into one request. Once your app is ready, use Replit's publishing tools to put it online and share it. So the workflow is simple. Describe arrow, build, arrow test, arrow, fix, arrow, publish. My personal opinion, Replit's free plan is one of the easiest ways for beginners to experience AI app building without knowing much code. But the daily agent limits mean you need to use your prompts wisely. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.